Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to add discount and coupon codes on Wix in 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and applying promo codes on your Wix website. First, you need to access your Wix account and navigate to the Marketing Tools section. From there, click on Promotions and then select Coupon Codes. This will take you to the Coupon Codes page where you can create new codes or manage existing ones. To create a new coupon code, click on the Add Coupon button and fill in the required details such as the code name, description, and discount amount. You can choose from various discount types including percentage, fixed amount, or free shipping. Once you have filled in the details, you can set the coupon code settings such as the expiration date, usage limit, and applicability to specific products or collections. You can also customize the coupon code appearance and add a redemption message. After creating the coupon code, you can share it with your customers through email marketing, social media, or by displaying it on your website. To apply the coupon code, customers need to enter the code at checkout and the discount will be applied automatically. Best practices for using coupon codes on Wix include creating limited time offers to create a sense of urgency, offering exclusive discounts to loyal customers, and tracking the performance of your coupon codes to optimize your marketing strategy. In conclusion, adding discount and coupon codes on Wix is a straightforward process that can help you increase sales, drive customer engagement, and grow your online business. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create and apply effective coupon codes that resonate with your target audience and help you achieve your marketing goals.